Okay, in this video, we're going to do a West Coast swing move called Sweetheart Rock and Go. We'll show it to you first. It looks like this.
Start with crossed hands.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it from this side. You can see better. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Okay, shall we break it down, Dick?
Let's break it down. I'm starting this move from crossed hands. However you want to get there is fine. We did in the class a sugar push, went right to right at the end of the sugar push. Left is over right, by the way. Starts like a left side pass. I'm going to do a wrap to the shoulder. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Let's do it from this side so we can see it.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to pop the left hand up and do the rock and go. Looks like this. That was my 5 and 6. I drew the lady forward. I go from here.
Okay, well let's do it from this side. Just there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock and go.
Okay, I'm alongside my partner.
Can I do my footwork there? So what I'm going to do on mine, okay, why don't you come with me, Dick? What you're going to do is you're going to do a coaster step there. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. He's going to give me a lead for a rock and go. I'm going to go coaster step. So I'm going to show it from this side. I don't think maybe I can. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's my coaster step. And the reason I had to do that coaster step or that rock and go is he brought me forward. Dick, talk about how you go backwards.
Okay, leaders, from this direction. I had crossed hands. I went 1, 2. I'm out of the way. I wrapped 3 and 4. Now, as I unwrap this, left hand is going up. I'm going to change lanes, go to the other side, and step back. I do a step together and step back as I draw the hand forward, which brings the lady's foot that way. I'll show it again. Crossed hands. 1, 2, up and over. 3 and 4. I'm on the shoulder here. Pop the left hand, change lanes. 4, 5, and 6. I step back on 6 as I draw the hand forward.
So we'll do it nice and slow here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
You see, we're alongside of each other. That's good placement.
Switch from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
So I'm alongside the lady. From here, I'm going to pull the lady in toward me, my follower in toward me.
The lower hand.
Left hand is going up. I'm going to wind up doing a head loop as I change lanes again.
That was it, but he didn't count it. So let's do it back. Let's start from here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. He's going to go over my head now. 7 and 8.
I step in on 8 and back away.
9 and 10. Okay, let's do it from here. So, and what's really tricky is when he does the head loop for himself, he sometimes wants to let go early, so I'm not in a really tight position. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5 and 6. He's going to go over my head now. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Now, Dick, could we do it one more time? I'm going to do it from here. And could you say which arm goes over my head?
Okay.
So the second time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, be the third time. That was 5
That's
and
5
6.
and 6. Now, I'm going to pull her into me with this. This we'll call it my low hand. Left hand is my high hand. It's going over her head. Then I'm going to go over my head with the right hand. So the left hand goes up first. As she comes around, step, step. I step in and head loop myself. I am finished now. I extend my left hand up under her shoulder for the step, step, step. So I can make a contact, just so you know. Underarm turn is a nice way out.
Okay, let's do it this way. See if we can show it this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. That was it. So that was what we're calling a sweetheart rock and go. See you later. Bye-bye.